Hello and welcome to Das Food and Barbecue. Let's make a fermented jalapeno hot sauce. First up, you'll need a bunch of jalapenos. This is about 20 of them. Cutting them into chunks, and then into a jar they go. In a glass container, measure out 30 grams of sea salt, or kosher salt in my case, and 1,000 grams of spring water, or, well, it has to be cleared water. Pour that over once it's dissolved, you pour it over the jalapenos in a jar, and then you have to have one of those bubbler thingies and wait for 3 weeks. And this is what it looks like. As you can see, the acid has worked its way through this, or the good germs have done their job. Strain them off and then add the jalapenos into a blender. To this, add equal measures of the brine and apple cider vinegar. In the end, I put a cup of each in there and just blend them until it's smooth. After that, it was time to strain it again. So I cleaned up everything and poured it through the strainer and just let it drip by itself. Most of it ran through, but in the end, it's always good to have a spoon and use the back of the spoon to press the last few drops through. As you saw, it dropped any which way. So, straining the last bit through, and there we go, into a sterilized jar, and it's got a shelf life in the fridge for about 3 weeks or so. So, time to eat some hot sauce.